The Union Street Railroad Company created Lincoln Park in 1894 as a way to connect Fall River to New Bedford. The park originally had picnic tables, a playground, and several grill stoves for cookouts. This continued into the 1920s, which was when Lincoln Park became more of an amusement park. In 1941, the facility was purchased by John Collins and Associates for $40,000. They invested $150,000 installing a 14-lane bowling alley and updating an existing dance hall, and added a full complement of amusement park rides. The park was successful until mid-1980s when larger theme parks became more popular. A fatal accident on the park's 1946 Comet wooden roller coaster in 1986 caused people to question the safety of the park. After facing declining attendance, Jay Hoffman, the park's owner, invested $75,000 in updating the park. This plan included moving the park's 1921 carousel to Battleship Cove and dismantling a smaller kiddie version of the Comet roller coaster. However, just 4 months later, on September 29th, the braking system of the roller coaster failed, causing one of the cars to jackknife. Although no one was injured, this was the final ride of the coaster. The park closed down in December 3rd, 1987, owing $48,000 in taxes and $13,000 unpaid police details. Almost all the rides were dismantled and auctioned off. The park's Ferris wheel was moved to New Bedford waterfront. The abandoned park suffered a bunch of fires after its closing, a total of 6 as of May of 2012. For years, the only remaining structures in the park were some badly damaged food buildings and the roller coaster. The coaster's highest starting lift hill collapsed during a heavy snowstorm in 2005. The roof of the platform collapsed in May of 2008, and much of the rear curve collapsed, probably due to water damage. 2 of the remaining buildings near the roller coaster partially collapsed in the early 2000s. Both buildings collapsed by early 2010. The remainder of the roller coaster was left standing and was demolished as of July 11th, 2007.